Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to change video speed using Lightworks. If you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to this channel to stay updated. So here I have a video added to video track 1. I'm going to play this video and see how it looks with no effects. So this is the original speed of this video, and now if I want to make this video fast or slow motion, all I have to do is just right click here on the video, open speed, and here under the drop down menu, so 100% means the original speed of the video, and anything below, so let's say 25%, click apply. So this is now going to be slow motion. And if I open settings again, open drop down and go above 100%, so let's say 400, click apply. Now this is going to be 4 times faster. And that's all, guys. This is how you change speed in Lightworks. I hope this was useful. If it was, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.